Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our assembly of our CASA-BARSET. We're going to begin by going and opening up the box and taking a look inside. Alright, proceeding to step 1, we'll be needing our parts 1, 2 of them, and our parts E. These will be our foot standoffs. We'll go ahead and show you where to install them now. So we're going to need this, and we'll go ahead and we'll install them here and here. We'll do the same for the other side. Moving on to step 2, we'll be taking our part 1 from earlier, as well as part 3 and 2 parts C. So proceeding onwards, we're also going to need our Allen key for assembly. We'll take our first part. We'll be repeating the same step on the other side. Next, we'll be taking our 2 parts number 2 and attaching them on top here with our remaining bolts. Proceeding onwards, step 4 through 6, we'll be assembling the stools. We'll be needing parts 5, 6 and 7, as well as our C screws and our D screws. We'll proceed now with assembling 1. We'll just repeat the same steps for the other stool. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA-BARSET. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and reviews. Thank you.